Hi, welcome to the Botsociety tips. My name is Caio Calado, and on this video, I'd like to tell you how you can design happy and repair paths using Botsociety. So before I show you how, it's really important to remind you what these concepts are. Happy paths are basically the perfect paths. It's the conversations where the bot is going to guide the user perfectly, and the user is never going to say something that is going to break the conversation. So we designed this as a way that we expect. So that's why we call this happy paths. Sometimes though, it's important to think about the scenarios that the user might break the conversation and the bot needs to repair the conversation. So these are secondary paths, but really important paths that helps the bot to repair the conversation and make sure that the user is going to the right way or to the right path. So to show you how you can design this on Botsociety, I created this example of a happy path, which is basically the user asking for some details regarding a particular order. To provide this information, the bot is going to ask the user to confirm the order number, and then the user is going to provide the correct information in the right format. And then the bot is going to provide the information that the user is looking for. An example here of a repair path is that the user might not know what the number is or where to find it, or just say like, I don't know, which is something that we can expect on this scenario. So to design a repair path here, I just need to click on the bot's message. And here you're going to see there is a little node which I can click, and then click in the canvas and select create path, which is going to add a new path. And for this one here, I'm gonna call this as the repair path. So here I can add the user's message saying something like, I don't know. And then the bot can help the user find this information, providing something like, no problem, let me help you. You can find your order number in the confirmation email. It looks something like, and then provide the format to the user. And then the bot can ask again, can you confirm the order number? And then, as we expect, the user is going to provide the correct information. So I can just connect back this flow to the main flow. And then we can finish the conversation. So to see how this is going to look like, I just press the play, and here Botsociety is going to ask you to pick a scenario. So you're going to be either the happy path or the repair path. And then the conversation is going to go what happened as expected. So a good practice is always to think about the happy path, but then depending in the questions that you do, you need to also think about the repair path. Another way to think about happy paths or repair paths on Botsociety is when you add quick replies or buttons in any part of the conversation. So something here that the bot can say or offer to the user are some quick replies, which gives some options to the user. It can be something like chat with a person, also initiate a return, or just say something like return policy, which is something that the user can say on this point. So you're going to notice that when you click on add, Botsociety is going to ask you if you like to create a path for each button, which is going to create additional paths in your canvas. If you like to continue on the same path, or if you would like to create happy and unhappy path, which is basically the repair paths. So just to show you what happens when I click this, I can just drag a new canvas or a new path to the canvas. And then you're going to see that the happy path continues in the main path. And then you have additional paths here on the right. So yeah, so this is basically how you can create happy and repair paths on Botsociety. Remember, you can also connect or change the connections between these paths anywhere in the canvas. And also, whenever you add a new button or quick reply on Botsociety, you're also going to have the option to create these additional paths. And yeah, I hope you can use this, and see you in another Botsociety tip. Bye bye.